And markings of the Royal Australian Air Force. He's going to depart, and in comes Todd Stewart in a 1,425 horsepower North American T-28 Trojan trainer. As he brings it across the show line, you get to see the bottom and listen to the sound of this engine. All go right in toward the center. Now, this is an airplane much more powerful, as Freddie Cabanas does a 4-point hesitation roll. 18 cylinders on this one. The P-51 Mustang, flown by Lee Louderback just a while ago, was actually designed on request by Northern. On Saturday, the silver race on Saturday, and with advanced to take on Sunday to take 8th place overall, making history at the Reno National Air Races last September. He was selected Rookie of the Year. The mayor of Key West, Florida, proclaimed Fred the general of the Conch Republic Air Force in 1992. And there's some more bombs. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the pyrotechnics. Look at it, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the chair. Here comes the crew. And let's give Dan Buchanan a huge round of applause. So Dan Buchanan, a great round of applause for you, my friend, as Bill Gordon and Billy Segal.
The Air Show. Some of our charities that are supported by the Florida International Air Show are the American Cancer Society, the Angels Attic, Big Brothers and Big Sisters, many of the Boy Scout troops, Edison Community.
The AirShow aerobatic team.
On September the 11th. Americans have known wars, but for the past 136 years, they have been wars on foreign soil, except for one Sunday in 19... May God grant us wisdom, and may He watch over the United States of America.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, watch the downward bomb burst of the AirShow aerobatic. Afterburner text.